start with the greatest name of Allah, who is most kind and merciful. First semester examination of 2K20 presentation. The subject is statistics and probability, and I have chosen 4 topics from it: statistics, probability, mode, and median. First of all, let me introduce myself. I am Hamad Dabro from Sindh University Campus Larkana, Department of Computer Science, batch 2K19, roll number 21. My first topic is statistics. So let's start with the first slide of my presentation and clear the topic what statistics is. First of all, defining the definition of statistics: a branch of mathematics dealing with the collection, analysis, interpretation and presentation of masses of numerical data. Statistics मतलब कोई भी डेटा हम उससे कलेक्ट करें, फिर उसे अरेंज करें, फिर हम ये सोचें कि कोई फिर उसको डेटा को प्रेजेंट करें और शो करें. Simply, in simple way, we can say that a collection of quantitative data is called statistics. Let's take an example of statistics. Example of a student's average height. First of all, we collect the information of students from that class, that how many students are in the class. Then after collecting the information, then we arrange it and make a list of the students and a list of the height of a student. Then present it in that way that average of students it find. Types of statistics. First of all, descriptive statistics, and second, inferential statistics. Let me define a brief statement of the types. First type is descriptive statistics, that defines the data to provide the description of population. Descriptive statistics means description of population either through numerical calculation or graph tables. Descriptive statistics में हम population के बारे में जानते हैं. पहले हम information collect करते हैं peoples की, फिर उसको arrange करते हैं, फिर present करते हैं. Inferential statistics makes inferences and predictions about a population based on a sample of data taken from population in a question. Population, अगर हम population की statistics collect करें, फिर उसके samples ले हम आदमी लोगों से, फिर in a questionnaire form, जैसे questionnaire होता है form के जरिए, फिर उसकी information सारी collect करें, वो उनके घर में क्या है क्या नहीं है, ये वो सारी इंफॉर्मेशन इन क्वेश्चन फॉर्म में उसको हम इंफरेंशियल स्टैटिस्टिक्स कहते हैं. प्रोबेबिलिटी, second topic of my presentation. Let's move to the second topic of my presentation. The probability is, in a simple way, we can say the number of ways of achieving success or the total number of possible outcomes. For example, the flipping a coin of being head because there is a one way of getting head and the total number of possible outcome is 2. If we flip a coin, then there are two sides of coins, head or tail. The total number of outcomes should be 2 and our favorable outcome should be 1. For if we want the tail, then favorable outcome will be the tail. If we want the head, then favorable outcome will be the head. So the third one topic, mode. Let me define the little definition of mode. The most frequent number in a list is called a mode. A set of numbers may have one mode or more than one mode or have no mode. Other popular measure of central tendency include the mean or the average mean of set. So let me clear the mode. As I have mentioned in the list that number of list is given and there are numbers mentioned in the list that 4, 3, 7, 8, 4, 5, 12, 4, 5, 3, 2 and 3. So first of all, as sort it in ascending order. Put in ascending order. 2, 3, 3 and 4. So see that there are two modes in the list. 3 and 4. 3 and 4 are the most frequent number in the list. How do you find the mode? It is a simple way to find a mode or mode value. The best to put the numbers in order. First of all, see the numbers. If they are in ascending orders, then leave it and find a mode. If they are not sorted in ascending order, first of all arrange in sorted ascending order. Then count how many numbers are similar. A number that appears most often or have most same frequency is called the mode. So the third one and the last topic is median. In statistics and probability, a median is a value separating from half lower from half of data and or a population or probability distribution for a data set. It may be thought of as a middle value of list. In simple way, we can say that a middle value mentioned in a list is called median. So the way of finding the median. Arrange your numbers in numerical or ascending order. First of all, sort it in ascending order. Count your numbers, that how many numbers are given in a list. If you have an odd then third one. If you have an odd number, divide by 2 and round up to get a position of median number.